Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again at Option Alpha. So today I am moving my EV portfolio settings for trade ideas out to enter trades beyond 20 days until expiration. And the reason I'm adjusting this from originally was 15 to 30 days, which is what we had from the latest research. Our newest deep dive research by Rob on our team, which just crushed it on this research, clearly shows that when you start to break down the expirations even further, that 20 days plus, so 20 to 45 days, actually yields a lot better performance in both the expected value and actual outcomes and on alpha for return on risk for trades. So I wanted to show you this. Again, if you haven't had a chance to read through this particular research insights post that he posted just a little bit ago, you have to read through this because it literally is game changing for how you enter new positions, and was for me and just adjusting and tweaking the strategy that I'm using based on this new research, just using the research, leveraging data and math that we have on it to make adjustments to our strategy. And basically what you kind of come up with, and not to paraphrase this whole thing at all, but you find that essentially you get into these periods where any expiration that's basically beyond 20 days as a group, and as you can kind of see this like cluster of performance here, this group basically has better performance than these trades that were entered, say, inside of 20 days. You can see the 0 to 5 days to expiration was marginally better for EV when it was closer down here. The further out in the EV bucket you went, it actually went negative. And the 15 to 20 days was better than closer in. So that was good. I was kind of mixing between 30 and 15 days. But now that we can see this new research and there's clearly a disparity here and a difference between 20 days and 30 days, we start to see that the performance and the expectation of post 20 days, like further out in time expirations, actually does significantly better. So we're going to make an adjustment to our bot. If you go into your EV bot, and my EV bot shares the same scanner automation with all the other live EV bots, so I can make one adjustment to this and it gets flowed through to all the other bots. But I'm going to go in here and I'm going to adjust my find trade ideas action. And like I said, originally I was doing 15 to 30 days. The latest research we had showed we didn't want to go too far in. Now we want to go a little bit further out. So I was doing 15 to 30 days. The newest research, I guess, before this, or now that we have this newest research, is showing that basically 20 to 45 days is actually a much better range. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust this here to go out at least 20 days and adjust the days to expiration range out here to the further end of the spectrum, which is 45 days. So I'm still going to keep everything else the same that I've had before. So alpha is greater than 5%, EV per contract greater than 10, probability of profit greater than 60, max loss per contract greater than 500. That keeps all my position sizings in check. And of course, rank all the positions by alpha, which is what we want to use. Once I'm good to go here, I just simply hit save. And now those new criteria are going to be used, which I think is going to be interesting because if I do find that that new criteria goes further out, it might actually help some of the bots from the last video start to find new trades. It hasn't been finding a lot of great value trades on those closer in timelines. And I wonder if now moving to a further timeline and further out in days to expiration actually allows the bots to find more trades. So again, I'll keep you guys updated on my journey and where I'm going with these bots every step of the way. But this was a pretty critical change that I made to the EV bots that I wanted to do here. And so I wanted to show you guys here in this video. Like I said, make sure you check out this newest research from Rob right inside of the Option Alpha blog. I'll put a link to this in the video below. And until next time, happy trading.